Hi, I'm Lisa with Greenhook Studio, and today I'm going to show you how I do a standing single or double crochet stitch to change colors or join a new thread onto a piece of crochet that you've already made. So grab some yarn and a hook so you can follow along. Let's get started. So a standing crochet stitch is a stitch that you do without joining with a slip and then chaining. You start the stitch all on its own. So I like to use this when joining a new color on a flat piece like this, or if I'm rejoining yarn making amigurumi, like I've made the body of the sweater and now I want to make sleeves. This is how I do it. So I take my new color, make my slip stitch, and put it on my hook. Not too tight, not too loose. So this is what I'm going to start with. I'm going to join here where I finished my other one. Now instead of joining with a slip stitch, I am going to have this new loop on my hook already. And I am going to pretend that I've already done a slip stitch. I'm going to keep my tail out of the way. I'm going to enter just like I would a regular single crochet stitch. Pull it through, again, just like a regular single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and then I've got a single crochet stitch that I made without having to slip and chain first. And then you just continue on as normal with the rest of your row. Now to show that again, I have made my loop, all tails out of the way, pretending like I'm already here, and just insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now, if you want to do this as double crochet, it's a little bit trickier, but not too hard. Again, we have our slip knot on the hook ready to go. This time I'm going to hold my piece, but first I'm going to do my yarn over like I would any other double crochet, and then I insert, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, whoop, you have to hold on tight to this so that it doesn't go away, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So the double crochet is a little bit trickier because you have to make sure that it doesn't unwrap itself. So you need to hold tight with your fingers. So one more time on the double crochet, I yarn over before I insert it, insert, yarn over, pull through, now yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and I see I'm holding tight here so that it doesn't unwrap itself. So there you go. Now, if you would like to do a standing triple crochet, it works the same way as the double crochet. You just wrap it twice beforehand. So just like a regular triple crochet, except it's not attached yet. We're going to pretend that it is. Yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through so that I can pull through, yarn over, pull through one and two and three times. Again, making sure that you pinch so that it doesn't unwrap itself. So there you go, a quick tutorial on how to do standing single, double, and triple crochet stitches. I hope that you will like, follow, and subscribe for more content like this in the future, as well as full patterns and knit and crochet repairs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back here real soon.